Hi guys, lots of fun things came in today. One of the things was my April Boxycharm. I know there's supposed to be a Colourpop eyeshadow palette in here, and I don't know which one. I'm gonna tease myself just a little bit more, open it up backwards so I don't see it right away. I'll bet you anything it's one I have. I'll bet you anything it's the My Little Pony, because that's what I have. Ooh, element of surprise. I don't think I have this one. Let me see. I mean, can you believe you're getting a whole color palette in your Boxycharm? Boxycharm is only $21 a month. And, you know, I might have this one. I don't know. If I do, I haven't used it yet. I'm not going to swatch this until I find out if I have this already. And actually, I don't think I do. I think this is the one I wanted. But if I do have it, I will give this one away. And no, because if I had this, I would have used it already. This is beautiful. Let's turn around and see what else is in here now. Oh, look. Boxycharm eyeshadow. I think these are from Miss Glam. Oh, here's a Boxycharm thing. Eye candy. Oh, this tells me everything that's in my thing. Yeah, it's a Miss Glam brush duo. I like her brushes. This is a blending brush. This is a little flat eye shader brush. Look, not only are they pretty and will make good Instagram pictures, but they'll be functional too. Well, that's pretty cool. My box is shaping up pretty well. This is, oh, a MAC Lip Intensity lipstick. Hello, MAC. Look at you in my Boxycharm. Honestly, I'm not sure of the color because, oh, it says it on the box. Dionysus. Looks like a red and brown. I do like the lip intensity formula. Should I swatch it? I don't know if I'm going to use it yet, so I'm not going to swatch it till I know if I'm going to use it. But a red and brown's a good color. It's kind of like that Smashbox that I got in the liquid lipstick I got in my Ipsy. This is the Brow Gal. Never heard of it. The Brow Gal, Tanya Brooks. Oh, this looks like a blonde color, which will be probably pretty light for me. Yeah, this is for the Instant light hair. I really want to try it though. Brow tinted gel with microfibers. That'll be way too light though. And then the last item in my Boxycharm is vacuum cleaner. That'll suck your pores out, right? By Dr. Brandt. Pore purifying mask. Pores no more. So this is my Boxycharm for April. I'm not mad at it, although there are a couple things I may not use. And I'm pretty excited to get this. I really wanted this. Ooh, look at that. I have wanted this for a really long time. That is sheer. These are both really sheer, but they're duochromes. So I kind of almost expect that with a duochrome. Oh, that's pretty. Yep, that's pretty. I like it. So that's Boxycharm for April. Let me know down below what you got. Oh, there's some coupons. And please leave me a thumbs up. Be the encourager. And subscribe. See you later. Oh, my hands are confused. Bye.